Hi from the Bureau. An episode of extremely windy conditions is set to blast southeastern Australia, especially South Australia, over the next few days, bringing with it large seas, rain and snow to low levels. Satellite shows a deep low south of the Bight, driving an extremely vigorous westerly airstream over southern Australia. Smaller features near southern WA and South Australia's Eyre Peninsula will become the focus as they move into the southeast. A severe weather warning is current for damaging winds for a large stretch of South Australia's coast and adjacent inland areas, including Adelaide. Warnings will become more widespread on Friday and Saturday morning in South Australia as the system broadens and deepens. Widespread showers, rain and thunderstorms are expected mainly across the agricultural area, but extending into the southern pastorals. Accumulations will be notable in South Australia. From today until Saturday, broadly 15 to 30 millimetres is expected about the southern agricultural areas, grading up to 60 to 100 millimetres in the Mount Lofty ranges and exposed southern coasts. Totals over southeastern Australia, broadly 5 to 10 millimetres, increasing to 25 to 50 millimetres over New South Wales western slopes, central Victoria and Tasmania. Totals of up to 100 millimetres about alpine areas. Numerous flood watches and warnings are current as already saturated catchments await the forecast rainfall. Large and dangerous surf combined with abnormally high tides will impact southern coasts, with significant beach erosion likely, possible damage to beachside buildings and property, and flooding and inundation of low-lying areas. This threat will move east with the system, reaching South Australia Friday and Victoria and Tasmania on Saturday. Seas will exceed 8 metres in exposed locations of South Australia. Waves above 8 metres are only expected about once per year in South Australia. Elevated sea levels will persist over southeastern Australia for a few days, especially in eastern Port Phillip Bay. Cold air will drop snow levels over Victoria and southern New South Wales to 12 to 1300 metres on Friday, before falling to 6 to 800 metres by Saturday. Snow is possible over the central tablelands of New South Wales. However, snowfall will be short-lived, ceasing early Sunday as a high quickly moves in. Conditions are a little bit warmer in Tasmania, with snow levels only to around 1200 metres. Know your weather, know your risk. For the latest forecasts and warnings, see our website, social media and app.